Did you read Len Sherman's latest article for Forbes? If you want a full recap of the article broken down by Sergio and Chris, be sure to watch the latest episode of Show Me the Money Club. But could Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi be enriching himself personally by cutting driver pay? Let me explain what Sherman broke down in his article. In Dara's executive contract, he has a stock option that lets him buy 1.75 million shares in Uber at a special reduced price of $33.65. But he can only do this if he sustains the company's market cap over $120 billion for 90 consecutive days. Keep this in mind. Uber is currently trading at $64.88. Hypothetically, this means Dara could buy Uber shares at a discount and sell them back for that higher price and turn a profit. He could turn a profit of $54.6 million, although it is very unlikely he would sell all those shares right away, and there's always a possibility that the stock price could drop. This incentive is time sensitive as it is set to expire in September of the current year, which puts added pressure on the CEO to maintain high profitability and stock market performance in the short term. Dara's approach to driver pay cuts and increased prices for customers has been associated with Uber's rising free cash flow and a resurgent stock price. What a stark contrast. Dara potentially taking home upwards of $50 million personally on the backs of drivers who are seeing reduced pay across the board and an oversaturated market where some drivers are making less than minimum wage after expenses are accounted for. Drivers, what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. I also do want to briefly talk about Solo. Solo is an app that lets you earn more by letting you know which gig apps are paying the most at any certain part of the day. They also pay daily guarantees that will pay you the difference if you come up short. Did we mention this is a free app? If you want to support our channel, use the link in our bio to download the app. Doesn't hurt to try it out, but obviously if you've used this app and you had a positive or negative experience with it, let us know in the comments. Drive smart, drive safe, stay updated. Follow the Rideshare guy.